Hi guys, Phantom here, and today I have a pack opening for you of Battle of the Legend Relentless Revenge. Now I want to first off start by saying I'm sorry I was gone for so long. I had some complications and I'm back now. So we're good. Now we're just getting into this pack opening. I'm sorry if the video quality is bad. I'm using a webcam. So if you would please excuse that. I'm just gonna crack open these packs right now and
This
we'll
is
get
sec-
started. And that's the last one. Now, of course, yeah, my name's Phantom. I'm looking for the Phantom Knights in this set, but I'll be happy getting pretty much anything that's in here because I haven't actually bought Yu-Gi-Oh cards in quite a long time. I've been playing online Yu-Gi-Oh for like ever. Alright, let's see what I got out of my first pack. Let's see. I don't know how it says. Orgoth the Relentless. Summon Dice. Iron Cage, the new Fairy Tale archetype support. Uh, I don't know this guy either. Kaiki the Unity Star. And Cyber Dragon. Now, I do work at Target and we sell Yu-Gi-Oh cards there. I just haven't actually bought any for openings. And I managed to buy a few 8 packs tonight since we had them. So, next we have Brilliant Fusion. Secret Rare. Nice. I love it. It's beautiful. Um, Plan B, my first one ever because I didn't get it the first time around. The new Time Lord. Iron Knight, part of the new Fairy Tale archetype, and Convert Contact for those, Neos players out there. And number 67, it's the secret rare, right? Oh, it's not the secret rare. It's the secret rare on the back this time? Weird. I'll just try to put all these right here. Oh, it's cool. I think I only have commons of these, of Foolish Burial of Goods. So it's nice to have that one. This one is Edatin the Conqueror Star. Is this? Two level 5 or higher warrior monsters. Is this a Cyber Angel support? Did they get a fusion? And we have an Altergeist Hextia and a Cyber Larva. No, this one of these should be the secret rare. Does this pack not have a secret rare in it? Oh, that's upsetting. I only got Ultra Rares out of this one. Rip. That one's my secret right there, okay? And we have Infinite Machine, Time Lord support, I believe. And Tema the Skystar. Oh, the Skystar down here again. Eater Millions. I only have these in rare, I think. So it's good to have this as a ultra rare. Uh, I think this came as a secret rare before. I used to have one, and I had these the Dark Lord contact. I was building a Dark Lord deck at one point. I never went anywhere with that. Where are my Phantom Knights? Here's a good one. The Golden Castle of Stromberg. I know people who've been looking for those. Litmus Doom Ritual. Oh yeah, I forgot. The Litmus Doom Swordsman in this is in the set. Iron Hans. Oh look, another Wonder Magician. Hey, I got myself a Gaia Saber Lightning Shadow. It's going right into my World Chalice deck. I don't have any other deck that would play it, or at least make any good use of it. And we have number 75, Bamboozling Gossip Shadow. Should probably do the okay, like that. Slash draw. It's pretty good. Another ritual. I just haven't gotten the ritual monster yet. Convert contact. Shura? The combat star? Wait, okay. Okay, so we have Edatin. Uh, we have Edatin the combat star, like the Cyber Angels, and now we have Shura the combat star. Hmm. Edatin and Shura. Wonder what they're hinting at with those. X pack. Ooh, that's pretty good. I uh I only have one of these and it's in my binder. I think the other one came as a secret rare as well, out of Code of the Dualisar, if I remember correctly. I'm just gonna put it right there. And another Eat of Millions. I would like to have a playset of these being all holographic. That would be nice. Pyrex, the Elemental Lord. I don't remember having all the Elemental Lords. I remember having a few of the Elemental Lords. Kaiki again, another Cyber Dragon. I already had a playset of um, Cyber Dragons that were, I think, super rare. I don't think they were ultra rare. Out of the last pack, we get an Empty Machine, Torrential Tribute, Neospatian Grand Mole. I actually like that. Pumpkin Carriage, okay, and a Born from Dragonesis? Draconis. Banish all light monsters from your graveyard and face up from your field. Special summon one level 6 or higher light machine monster from your hand, ignoring its summoning conditions, and if you do, its attack and defense become equal to the number of monsters banished to activate this card by 500. Also, it is unaffected by card effects except its own and this card's. You cannot special summon other monsters the turn you activate this card. This is like Cyber Dragon support? Because those are light machines. Oh wait, no, especially when one level 6 or higher light machine, Cyber Dragon's level 5. So is this for... This is for... What could this be good in? I have no idea. But I am definitely going to try to figure out how to break this card because that looks like a lot of fun. So the the parts of the this opening that I was most excited about are basically these three and maybe a Gaia Saber. Those are the cards I was excited for. I didn't get any Phantom Knights, which is a little upsetting. But I can't be too angry because I did get some decent pulls here. Some decent cards. And some cards I've never had before. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this opening, and I will see you guys later. Matane!